Hello, welcome. In this video, we are going to solve a very interesting equation. 3 to the power of x plus x equal to 5. How do we find the value of x? The first step we are going to take is to transfer x to the right hand side. So we are going to have 3 to the power of x equal to minus x plus 5. Now, let us divide both sides by 3 to the power of x. So we have 3 to the power of x over 3 to the power of x equal to minus x plus 5 over 3 to the power of x. Clearly, 3 to the power of x cancel each other. We have 1 equal to minus x plus 5 over 3 to the power of x. 1 equal to minus x plus 5. Suppose we want 3 to the power of x to be at the numerator, it becomes times 3 to the power of negative x. Let us put this guy in brackets. Now, suppose we want this power to be in form of this guy. What do you think we should do? Let's simply multiply both sides by 3 to the power of 5. So we have 3 to the power of 5 times 1 equal to minus x plus 5 times 3 to the power of negative x times 3 to the power of 5. Let's proceed further. 3 to the power of 5 times 1, that is 3 to the power of 5, equal to minus x plus 5. Since these two guys, they have the same base, we can just combine the power. So we have times 3 to the power of minus x plus 5. Don't forget that we can rewrite 3 as e to the power of ln 3. You should remember this. That means from here we are going to have, what is 3 to the power of 5? That is 243 equal to minus x plus 5 times, we will now replace this particular 3 with e to the power of ln 3. So we have e to the power of ln 3 times minus x plus 5. Let's continue. Also, suppose we want this guy, minus x plus 5, to be in form of this power. What do you think we should do? Let's simply multiply both sides by ln 3. We are going to have ln 3 times 243. Let's put it in brackets to avoid confusion. Equal to ln 3 times minus x plus 5 times e to the power of ln 3 times minus x plus 5. Let's proceed further. Ln 3 times 243, that is 243 ln 3 equal to this right hand side, ln 3 times minus x plus 5 times e to the power of ln 3 times minus x plus 5. At this stage, it is sufficient to recall the Lambert W function formula, which says w of a times e to the power of a is equals to a. Take note of this, it's very important. Applying this Lambert W function formula to this guy, we are going to have w of all of this 243 ln 3 equal to w of all of the right hand side ln 3 times minus x plus 5 times e to the power of ln 3 times minus x plus 5. Let's make this a square bracket. You will notice that by comparing this right hand side with this guy, ln 3 times minus x plus 5 is simply a. Ln 3 times minus x plus 5 is a. That means w of all of these entity will become ln 3 times minus x plus 5 equal to w of 243 ln 3. Dividing both sides by ln 3, we are going to have ln 3 times minus x plus 5 over ln 3 equal to w of 243 ln 3 over ln 3. Let's continue. Clearly, ln 3 cancel ln 3. We are left with minus x plus 5 equal to w of 243 ln 3 over ln 3. This implies that x is equals to 5 minus w of 243 lane 3 over lane 3. This is the required value of x for this equation. That's it. Thanks for watching.